how to add GoDaddy domain to Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you guys how you will be able to get your own GoDaddy domain and add it to your own Wix website very easily and quickly. So to get started over here, we're first going to start with GoDaddy because of course you need a domain or you need to buy a domain to connect to Wix. Finding a domain is very quick and easy in GoDaddy. Simply type the domain that you want. If you're unfamiliar to what domain is, it's basically what your URL is going to be. So for example, over here for GoDaddy, you have godaddy.com. And for Wix, you have wix.com. So that is the domain. So if you want to have a unique one, so for example, you have a Pretty Barrel, something like that, or prettybear.com as your personal domain, you can easily have that by simply going to GoDaddy and searching and typing that specific URL link that you want to have. So for example, with our example, Pretty Bear, you can search domains and it will search all the available open domains that are available right now for you to buy. And as you can see here, there are different multiple versions, as you can notice. This one has .ph, this one has .shop, you have .online, .co, .style, .sale, live, club, and many more. There are multiple attached section at the end in comparison to the actual name. So you have Pretty Bear, and you have the other additional after the dot over here. So as of now, based on what we're seeing over here, .com is no longer available. Oh, never mind, it's over here. As you can see, the prettybear.com. But of course, there's going to be slight difference. It's going to suggest some similarities if you prefer that. And as you can see here, maybe there's even Pretty Gorilla, as you can see. And each of them has different prices over here. So for example, this one has $10, or is it $10? $20 worth of name over here, or worth domain. That you have here 1,000 peso. You have one going as high as 100,000 peso over here, and as low as 1 peso over here, as you can see. So some of them are currently in discount and some of them are not in discount. Buy for the first year is cheaper, as you can see here. The first year, this one will only cost 1,000 peso. This one will only cost 1,000 or almost 1,000 pesos well in comparison to 6K and 8K over here. So if you want, or if you found a domain that you like, you can simply click on Make Yours and simply check it out in GoDaddy. Now for me, I already have my own domain, and this is what it looks like over here after you successfully bought a domain. I have Caesars.shop over here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Wix. Look for your website that you want to attach that URL or that domain to. So it's preferably a platform that you have already finished setting up, finished creating, and all of the necessary steps needed to have a good website. So anyway, let me select a random one over here. So maybe store demo. Click on site actions and click on edit site. We will be redirected to the Wix editor, where of course you could modify and change your website's appearance. So over here, we're going to the section called the dashboard, or like the back end part of that specific website that you are editing. Now, if you're already at the connecting the domain part, I'm assuming that you have already successfully navigated through the different modification of your website. So I'm no longer going to tackle about that. We're only going to focus on connecting your Wix and GoDaddy domain. So we're still waiting for our Wix to load over here. We will be able to access our domain once we have successfully loaded this. And there we go. Just a little bit more. There we go. Now after that, either you could connect it right away in this section. As you can see, we have this subdomain. A subdomain is basically the main domain, which is wix.com, and then your site, your website name. And that's a subdomain. But if you don't want to have a subdomain, you could easily click on connect your domain over here. You could connect it through the website editor, or you could also do it inside of the settings over here. under connect domain. So let's click this, connect domain, and wait for this to load. There's a bunch, or there's a very simple setup for this. You're not gonna get confused by following the instruction, but anyway, over here, make sure also that you have set up every other thing, especially if it is e-commerce. Make sure that you have set up your payment methods. But anyway, there we go. We have our connect a domain over here. So what you're going to do is you should be going to get the domain name, and of course, input it over here, as you can see. Click on let's go over here, and it will try to look for our domain. You can see it can be either a domain that you want or a domain that you already own. So as you can see here, Caesar.shop is already taken. So yes, I own this domain, but you would need to upgrade your site with a premium plan to connect your domain. So if you click on upgrade over here, you will be able to see the different plans available in our Wix.com over here. Fortunately or unfortunately, connecting a domain is a premium feature which I don't have. But anyway, that's the way you will be able to gain access or to be able to start the process of connecting a domain. As you can see here, this is where you will be able to find the different plans available for us, different premium plans. We have Lite, Core, Business, and Business Elite over here. It doesn't really matter which one you buy. You will still be able to unlock our premium or our connect a domain feature over here, regardless of which one you buy over here. But anyway, if you want to buy your own domain, you could also search it through here, and it will redirect you to some vendors, or you could buy it directly in Wix as well. But if you specifically want GoDaddy, of course, simply do the same process that I did. Search the name inside of GoDaddy, check it out. As you can see here, check out, buy it with your card or whatever payment method that you prefer in GoDaddy. Go to your domains available over here, copy your link, go to a specific site that you wish to attach your GoDaddy URL or your GoDaddy domain, and enter that over here. Then you can simply click on yes, I own this domain, and that's basically the process. So if you're interested in being able to set this up, simply follow the instruction that I have provided. So if you also ever made a mistake with connecting a domain, don't worry. You are able to unconnect it to a website and connect it to another website if you want. So if you search here, GoDaddy, can I attach or can I reconnect my domain to another website? So if you search that, you will be able to transfer, as you can see here, you will be able to transfer your domain to another platform or another website if you made a mistake. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.